In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix random keyboard not working on Windows computer. If your keyboard does not have any problem, but you just discover that some of the keyboard is not working, not because you just fixed the keyboard, this can happen on new laptops. So whether your laptop is new or not, the key might not function as expected. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick fix to fix this on your Windows computer. So in most cases, when you want to press the Act button using the Shift and 2 button on your keyboard, you'll discover that your Windows computer brought up something different. So even when everything is working perfectly, you still cannot fix this. So this is the best solution for you to do this. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. But the first thing you want to do is click on the Start button on your Windows computer. Here, go to Settings, then open it. Once you open the Settings application on your Windows computer, scroll down on the left side and then click on Time and Language. Under Time and Language, locate Language and Region. Now, once you click on that, here you see all the languages you added to your Windows computer. First, come to Windows Language Display and make sure you choose your preferred language to be United States. So this is going to restore the Windows keyboard to what you're looking at on the keyboard. Now, under Preferred Language, if you have added multiple languages here, you need to remove the United Kingdom language if your default language is not United Kingdom, because this is going to bring up two different keyboard here at the bottom right here. You can see I have English UK. So the English UK keyboard is different from the United States UK keyboard. In order for this not to give me any problem, all I just need to do is this. Under Preferred Language, I'm going to locate the UK English, click on this three dot, then click on Remove. There you go. So once I remove this, I only have no language showed up here, so I don't have option to choose between languages on my Windows computer again. Then henceforth, whenever I'm typing or using the keyboard indication as it is on my laptop, I'm going to have the exact keyboard I type on my Windows screen. So this is how you can actually fix random keyboard on Windows computer. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.